Welcome to the ultimate pit stop for machine lovers. If you're into roaring engines, raw horsepower, and the wild world of forestry tech, you're in the right place. Let's fire it up and dive into some jaw-dropping mechanical action. Putting up one hell of a fight, man. You're watching a man push the limits. That machine's swaying like a jelly donut on a trampoline, and yet he holds his line. This is what steel nerves and raw focus look like. Is he going to pull it off? Let's find out. Brace yourselves, the Husqvarna 390 XPG and 36-inch steel bar are in full force. This isn't just another tree-cutting task. We're talking about raw, untamed power, combined with the expertise of the operator. Get ready for the moment of impact.
Right here. Trying to put that window in so I can reach in farther and get this little pocket.
This ain't your average forest machine. The EOG 688E with its rotating cabin lets you twist and turn like a pro, even in the tightest spots. Throw in the Waratah H415 and the brainy Timite H-16 system, and you've got yourself a cutting beast that's all about precision, power, and getting the job done right. It's not just muscle, it's smart muscle that keeps the operator safe, sharp, and comfortable. The truly talented men know how to ruin your day. It's almost like they have a gift for making everything go wrong. Ripping roots never looked this damn good. The LaCruz hydraulic root puller glides through the dirt like it owns the ground. Those 3 tines and saw-toothed rollers, pure teamwork. And with a beast of a hydraulic system backing it up, this machine doesn't ask, it takes. Forest work mirrors life. Some days lift you up, others knock you down, but safety, that's the real victory. If we all walk through that door at the end of the day, we've already won. and man down. Holy hell, that scared the life out of me. Thank God he's all right. Could have been way worse. Old machines ain't always junk. That lame at 100 sawmill looks like scrap, but turns out it's still got fight left in it. With some elbow grease and the right mindset, it becomes gold. So before you toss out that junk, think twice. It might just be your next best tool. Pilato's TM1200 and TB900 are absolute firewood beasts. The TM1200 brings a 22 kilowatt motor and 22 tons of slicing muscle, crushing logs up to 47 inches wide. Pair that with the TB900, packing 40 tons of splitting force and customizable cut sizes down to 0.79 inches. When you need serious output, these machines don't mess around. Raw power meets next-level precision. Even the experts mess up sometimes. What separates the good from the great is how you handle failure. Take the lesson and rise stronger. Don't let the A1124's compact design fool you. This beast delivers. Power? Check. Agility? Check. That crane? Don't even get me started. With the AGCO Power 44 AWF engine, it's got 124 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. So, add the Palm 786 crane and trailer, and you've got a machine with insane lifting capacity and mobility, making it the perfect fit for demanding forestry tasks. A masterpiece, yet sometimes the decisions we make as humans are hard to understand. Why bring down that majestic giant? Maybe it's to provide shade for a pool, block a sign, or some other reason we justify. But isn't it about understanding our place in this world and the legacy we leave behind? Wow, check out the level of precision and expertise in this footage. The drivers take their log trucks through slippery, challenging landscapes with unmatched skill. It's not just about getting from A to B, it's about navigating obstacles, staying focused, and applying deep, technical knowledge. Driving in these conditions is no walk in the park. After harvesting, the real challenge begins. Post-harvest, the stump removal machine is put into action. Equipped with advanced drilling technology, it drills deep into the ground over 50 centimeters, severing the root system while minimizing disruption to the soil. This technique not only protects the soil structure, but also reduces erosion and preserves soil fertility. When compared to manual removal methods, this machinery delivers exceptional efficiency and speed. For navigating rugged, muddy terrain, the Valmet 83.1 stands out as your ultimate partner. With a capacity to manage up to 9 tons, this machine is built for maximum performance in extreme conditions. It takes on even the toughest muddy landscapes with ease, handling up to 9 tons without breaking a sweat. Take a look at the Caterpillar 309 CR. With its dual saw and hook attachments, this machine effortlessly trims branches and clears the area without skipping a beat. Now that's what I call smart design. Just imagine how much quicker your workday could be with this powerhouse at your disposal. North Carolina's wood industry blends the strength of nature with the precision of modern machines. From massive oak forests to advanced forestry tech, it meets today's demands while protecting tomorrow's resources. It's a model of sustainable growth, rooted in innovation and responsibility. Blown away? Drop a comment below. Your feedback is the fuel that keeps our creative machines running at full throttle. Applause. You all right? Picture this. You're behind the wheel of a John Deere skidder, racing through dense forest, tackling steep terrain, hauling logs like a beast. That engine roar becomes your anthem, and for a moment, you're not just logging, you're living something epic. When the terrain gets tough, the TST 800 tower yarder gets going. Built for steep slopes and tight quarters, it delivers precision timber hauling while protecting the integrity of every log. This machine isn't just powerful, it's smart, making it a trusted tool for complex forestry jobs. No joke. That hanging tree is a live hazard. Our mission is simple. Neutralize the threat with surgical precision. Watch how he studies the lean, predicts the landing, and times the drop. This isn't for amateurs. Without serious training, don't even think about it. We've got someone running equipment and the neighbors just casually hanging out like it's Sunday brunch. But let's be real, this could go south fast. That kid moves, someone slips, boom, trouble. You good, kid? Everyone okay?
It's gonna get hurt. Oh, big time. Oh, like that. Oh, like that. Oh, shit! Right?
Today's journey ends here, but the roar of machines never stops. If this kind of power gets your heart racing, subscribe and hit that bell. We've got more coming your way. See you in the next chapter of Machine Era.